Hi, my loves. Happy Thursday. I'm going to go through what we're doing today. Let me know if you have any questions or I can help you. So today with ELA, we've been working with nonfiction stories. Today, I want you to learn some new words with your nonfiction books by using the whole page to figure out what the word means. So a lot of times when we're reading a nonfiction book, there will be words that we don't know. Even Miss Sisson, when she reads nonfiction books, especially ones that are like about science stuff, there are things that I don't know about it. And so I have to use the whole page, maybe the pictures, the words before, the words after, to try to figure out what the word means. So you're going to choose a nonfiction story and you're going to write down 2 or 3 new words that you didn't know what they meant and what you think they mean now. And it's okay if it's not exactly right, but what you might think that they might mean now. So this was a book about, definitely something not Miss Sisson does not know about, but cars in the future. And again, it's on Epic books if you need it. This was a book about cars in the future. And the word I wrote down was hybrid. Okay, right here, hybrid. And then I looked at the whole sentence. When I read after the word, it says use more than one source of power. So I think that what a hybrid means is that it is something that when something uses more than one source of power. So for example, this car is a hybrid and uses more than one source of power. You only have to do this part where you're telling me the word and then what you think it meant. But I wanted you to see my thinking up here because I used the whole page while reading to figure out what that word meant. Okay, so here's those directions. You're going to give me 2 to 3 words that you find in your nonfiction story that you did not know what it meant before, and using the whole word. And you can see in this little graphic over here, they're using the pictures, they're using the captions and the labels, and they're using the actual words in the story. They're using all of those clues to try to figure out what that word means. Okay. For math today, we are subtracting without regrouping, which is good. That's an easy way to start. So you can subtract without regrouping using expanded form or base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks is the example in the picture. And remember, when we subtract a number, we only draw the bigger number. Okay, so like if the problem is 654 minus 234 in base 10 blocks, we only draw the bigger number. So we're going to draw 654. Then we cross out our 234 to get the right answer. And then we count what's left to get the right answer. Okay, so you have 4 problems at the bottom that you're going to solve using either base 10 blocks or expanded form, whichever you prefer. Okay, and again, great teaching video and then some extra practice. And if you want more extra practice, there's always iExcel. You can go on there and find these same kind of problems. All right, social studies, expenses and savings. So we must determine how to use the money that we earn. So when I work at my job, the money that I earn is called my income, okay? And I have to decide what I'm going to do with my income. So some of our money will go to expenses and some of our money goes to savings. Expenses are the cost of our immediate wants and needs, and it's covered by our income, usually. Hopefully. And savings is the extra money that we put aside for future wants or needs. So sometimes we save for like one special item. You want that one new thing. Miss Sisson wants a new playset. And so we've been saving for a new playset, and it's been in its own little thing online, and we've been saving for that. And sometimes we have to use our savings for unexpected needs. So when your car breaks down or you need a new dryer or things that you didn't expect to happen. Sometimes we have to use our savings for that. So you're going to make a list of planned monthly expenses that your family might have. So things like groceries or paying the power bill or the water bill, or maybe like my family pays for daycare. And so things that you know are going to happen every month. Those are planned expenses. Then I want you to make a list of unexpected monthly expenses that your family might have to pay for. So things like visits to the doctor, or a new set of tires if you get a hole in your tire, or like I said before, a new dryer, things like that. So make a list of planned monthly expenses and unplanned monthly expenses. Okay. And talk to mom and dad, because you'll need their help for some of that. All right. And then today in related arts, it is art. You are going to draw what is outside your window. Choose any window in your house and draw a picture of what you see outside. Do you see birds or trees, or maybe you see another house or your backyard? That's one option. The second option is gather a group of objects from around your house and draw what you see. Maybe make a pile of your favorite things and draw a picture of that pile. And then the last one is draw a creature that can swim really fast or jump really high. So anything that can swim really fast or jump really high. And I love that you guys have been sharing these with me. I love to see them. So feel free to send me any pictures that you create. All right. And then today you are going to ask a friend or a family member to read a short passage of a book to you while you hold on to one foot. So you're going to stand on one foot, hold the other foot up high, like behind you, and you are going to ask a friend or a family member to read a short passage. It shouldn't be super long, and see how long you can stand up on that one foot. All right, that's it for Thursday. I hope that this week is going good for you, and I hope that it is easy and you're getting all the things done. Let me know if you need me, and tomorrow is Friday.